Good evening, everybody. It is Wednesday, so you know what that means. It's Walgreens Wednesday. Please excuse my hair, it's all over my head. But anyway, I'm late, okay? But I'm going to get in here and get some deals. Ooh. All right, I'm in the toothpaste aisle. I'm stocking up on my toothbrushes. This is going to be the first thing that I pick up. When you buy two, you're going to get 4,000 points. So I'm starting out this week with 35,000 points. So I'm going to pick up two of these and get the 4,000 points back. Okay, guys, so the next thing I'm going to pick up is the soft soap. We zoomed all the way in. They are buy two. I know you guys have seen this deal like 17,000 times. So buy two, get 5,000 points. I don't have the 2 off of 2, but I have the 2 75-cent digital coupons. So I'm going to use that and then pay with points that I have and get the 5,000 points back. So I'm going to pick up 2 of these. Okay, I lied. I'm going to get the Irish Spring. I have a 75-cent for the Irish Spring and the 75-cent for the soft soap. So let's go pick up some. I'm so glad I seen this deal because we are completely out of dish soap. So I'm going to pick up 2 of these. Yeah, $1.99 when you buy 2, you get 2,000 points. I don't think we have any coupons for this, but I need this at home, so I'm gonna pick this up. All right, this is a look at everything that I have in my basket so far. They ran completely out of the Persil. I probably should have got it when I came earlier this week, but everything you see in the cart is about $27. So after all of my digitals, there's no coupons for the Palmolive. After all my digits come off, it's going to take it down to $21. I'm going to roll 20,000 in points, but get 4 back for the two brushes, 2 back for the Palmolive, and 5 back for the Irish Spring. So I'm going to get those points back, and I'm going to come back and do a diaper deal. Every time I do a diaper deal at Walgreens, it doesn't work, so I'm going to try it this time. Let's see how it goes. Okay, because I got some points I don't mind burning. I'm going to do this diaper deal. It's not a great deal, but if you have some points at Walgreens that you can roll, I'm going to do this deal, okay? So, 6,000 points when you buy 3. They're 2 for 18, so 2 of them are going to be 18, but one is going to be the regular price at $12.99. So, all 3 of them are going to equal to $30. Now, I have a 6 off of 3. I have a 3 off of 2. And I have a 2 off of 1. So I'm gonna get the 3 off of 2 is gonna attach, and then the 2 off of 1 is gonna attach. So taking it down to about $25. So I'm gonna roll 20 in points and get back 6,000. Now I know that's a lot. Some of you guys may not have 20,000 points, but if you're in Walgreens and you have those digital coupons, you can get these diapers. I'm gonna go ahead and pick these up. Okay, guys, so very quickly, I'm going to go over everything that I picked up. These are my 2 transactions that I did at Walgreens today. So let's go over the first receipt. All right, So let's look at it. The Oral-B, the Tide rang up at $2.95, both of those. The Palmolive went 2 at $1.99. The soft soap at $4.99. And the Irish Spring at $4.99. Okay, so these are all of my digitals. They all came off, thank God. So my total was $21. As I said, I did not roll 20,000 in points. I rolled 10, okay? And then I got back. I rolled 10. So I rolled 10. So I paid $13.57, okay? So I got back from this transaction 16,000 points. So I know I was supposed to get 1. I know I was supposed to get 5, and then 2 for the Palmolive. 5 and 2 is 7, and then 4 for the toothbrushes. Which means I got an extra 5,000 points somewhere. I must have had some kind of boost. Oh, Well, no, I must have had some kind of booster. I don't know, but I got 16,000 points. So I paid $13, but I got back 16,000 points, making that free plus a $3 money maker. Okay, so great deal on the first transaction. All right, so I'm at 39,000 points at the closing of this transaction. So I decided to do a diaper deal, guys. I hardly ever do diaper deals at Walgreens, but I just decided to do one since I had the extra points and I had some digital coupons. So let's look at that receipt. Okay, guys, so again this week, the deal isn't just great, but if you need diapers, you can do this deal. And if you have points that you don't mind using to lower your out of pocket, that would be great as well. This deal turned out to be absolutely great for me. So they're ringing up 2 for 20. 2 for 18, I'm sorry. Yeah, 2 for 18. So I'm looking to see. One rang up for 9. One at $12.99. Okay, so regular. Yeah, I'm looking at my receipt to see if it actually did it ring up for 12 or did it ring up for 18 or not. You know, it says $9 sale. So I'm guessing if you buy them separately, they're $9. If you buy them together, they're still going to be 2 for 18. So I was thinking one was going to be $12.99, which is still great anyway. But the only thing is you see right here, the Pampers Swaddlers, the digital, the $6 digital off. So, okay. So this is what happened. The $6 off 3 digital ended up coming off. So brought my total to $21. So I was thinking the 3 off of 2 and the 2 off of 1 was going to come off, but the 6 off of 3 and ended up coming off, which is fine. I brought my total to $21. I used $20 in points to pay. Guys, I paid $3.16 for the diapers. But I got back, let's see, 6,000 points. Because when you buy 3, you get 6,000 points. So, I'm left with 25,000 points for next week, which is, God, I will take that any day. Okay, so I think this was a great haul, guys. Money makers for the diapers, money makers for money makers for the first transaction. I think that is an excellent week at Walgreens this week. I will not complain. I got all essential items. I'm stocking up. Me and my sister are getting ready to load up some college. I have a cousin who just graduated college, and we adopted my brother's one of my brother's younger friends from around the way for college. So we are going to make sure they go to school stocked up, honey. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, okay, if you'd like to see more of my Walgreens Wednesdays journey, make sure you hit that notification, you subscribe, baby, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any episodes from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, you guys enjoy the rest of your Wednesday night. Bye.